Hello everyone, welcome back to another Chairside chat with me, Michelle Strange. We are in an active clinic, so hopefully you can hear me okay. But I wanted to talk to you today about the color coding that is with the TePe line with their interdental brushes. So they have 9 color-coded sizes in the interdental brushes in the shorter handle. They go from pink to black. They follow the ISO, or the International Standard for sizing. They are talking about wire size. So when TePe talks about the size of the brush, it's talking about the wire size, not the bristle diameter, which makes it a little confusing for us as clinicians, because we're like, we want to compare apples to apples, and that's not always the case. So they are talking about the wire size, not the actual bristle diameter. So that's just a little tidbit of information. Some companies talk wire size, some companies talk bristle diameter. So the international standard is for wire size. So as the TePe line gets bigger, so with that teeny tiny pink one, as the brushes get bigger in diameter, the wire also gets a little bit bigger. And then they have the same color coordination in their angle line. So that will be from pink to green. So if you size them from your practice box, for instance, and I'll show you mine. You look back on the video of me tailoring mine. But if I, let's say, want to do a yellow, I found that that wire size is the best for their embrasure space. It's not going to touch the sides of the teeth. It's not causing any trauma to the tissue. It doesn't give them that galvanized zing to that sensitive root structure. But I noticed that they are struggling in the posterior, so I want to go with a longer handle. Then I would just size them with the yellow longer handle, because that's going to be the same wire size. Now, that same thing goes for if my patient is struggling with maybe fragile tissue, post-surgery, post-laser, maybe they have pretty severe xerostomia or severe inflammation, then I want to have them on an extra soft bristle. Well, then you would tailor them to the extra soft line from TePe, which is very soft, gentle bristles, but they're still color coded for size, but they're pastel in color. So if I wanted to use the yellow, because I know that that's the wire size for them, I would put them on the yellow pastel color. This is going to go from orange to purple. And so now you can make sure that the patient is being consistent with their embrasure space, that the wire's never going to touch the sides of the teeth, because we're sticking with that particular color that's right for their embrasure space. So if you didn't know, TePe is color coded for size. So if you're going to recommend that yellow, I write it in their chart and like, that was a yellow. If next time they're like, I can't get it in the back, I'm like, hey, that yellow comes in a longer handle. Just get that same color or that same ISO number, because if they're color blind, which some patients are, there are the numbers on there so that you know that yellow is going to be a 4 on the ISO. Easy peasy, right? So head over to tepeusa.com. Don't forget to use our code ATOTH, and you can get 40% off the retail cost of your first order. Hope you're enjoying Chairside Chat. Have a great day.